Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by identifying the stopper material and how it seats. This determines your technique. Once identified, apply a small amount of lubricant around the edge to reduce friction and allow a controlled peel. Use a thin pick to find the seam or lip and gently pry to create a gap. Hold the device steady with one hand while you work with the other. Make sure to keep screws or clips visible in a tray so you don't lose small parts during removal. You continue by working around the stopper in short increments to avoid tearing or breaking it. Once you have an initial gap, move the pick clockwise or counterclockwise in small steps, releasing tension evenly. This prevents sudden pops that damage threads or surfaces. If the stopper is adhesive sealed, apply low, even heat for 20 to 30 seconds to soften glue, then reattempt lifting. Make sure to support the surrounding housing so pressure doesn't warp or fracture the assembly as you extract the stopper. You finish by cleaning the mating surfaces with isopropyl and a soft cloth so a replacement seats correctly. This prevents leaks or misalignment. Once removed, inspect the stopper and surrounding lip for nicks or deformations. If torn, replace rather than reuse. If the stopper remains stuck, use a clamp with soft jaws to apply steady, even tension while you pry. This reduces slippage. Make sure to test the final fit and functionality before reassembling. If leaks or misfits persist, reassess material compatibility and replace the housing or stopper as needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.